Welcome friends. This is a short video on system of linear equations. Here we will learn the types of system of linear equations and type of solutions they possess. What is a system of linear equations? A general system of m linear equations in n unknowns is of the following form. Here x1, x2, xn are n unknowns. Aij's and Bi's are constants. Aij's are called coefficients of the linear system and Bi's are called the right hand side of the linear system. How can we represent linear system as matrix? The m cross n matrix A of coefficient of the system is called the coefficient matrix. The n cross 1 column matrix X consisting of unknowns x1, x2, xn is called matrix of unknowns. The m cross 1 column matrix B consisting of the right hand side of the matrix is called right matrix of the system. The system of linear equations can be written in matrix form as Ax is equal to B. The augmented matrix associated with the system is denoted by AB, written in square bracket where matrices A and B are separated by a line. In the matrix form, all the elements of A are written in the left side of the line and all the elements of matrix B are written in the right side of the line. Let us understand this representation by an example. Consider this system of linear equation of 4 unknown variables. Here, coefficients of x1 are 2, 1 and 2, which are written in the first column of the coefficient matrix A. Similarly, coefficients of x2 are written in second column of coefficient matrix A. Observe that in the second equation the variable x2 is missing, so in this case we have written 0 in second row, second column. Similarly, in third column we have coefficients of x3 and in fourth we have coefficients of x4. Matrix B is right side of linear equations. In augmented matrix, elements of A and B are separated by a line. In general, we have two types of system of linear equations, where classification is based on the right side matrix B. If all the elements of B are 0, then the system is called homogeneous system, that is system of the form Ax is equal to 0. If the column B has at least one non-zero element, then system is called non-homogeneous system. That is system of the form Ax is equal to B, where B is not identically equal to 0. Now we will discuss types of solution that exist in each of the above linear system. Let us start with homogeneous system. Setting all the unknowns equal to 0, we can see that the homogeneous system gets satisfied. Hence, x is equal to 0 is always a solution of the homogeneous system Ax is equal to 0, and it is called trivial solution of the system. Homogeneous system have either unique solution or infinite solutions. In case of unique solution, x is equal to 0 is the only solution of homogeneous system, and we say that only trivial solution exists. In case rank of matrix A is equal to number of unknown variables, then homogeneous system has only trivial solution x is equal to 0. If rank of matrix A is less than number of unknown variables, then homogeneous system has non-trivial solution, and in that case it has infinite such solutions. Now let us consider non-homogeneous system and see the types of solution it possesses and under what conditions such type of solution exist. In non-homogeneous system, we have all the three possibilities. The system can have no solution, it may have unique solution, or it may have infinitely many solutions. If rank of A is less than rank of the augmented matrix, that is, number of non-zero rows in row echelon form of A is less than number of non-zero rows in row echelon form of augmented matrix AB, then there does not exist any solution of the non-homogeneous system. If rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix AB, and which in turn is equal to number of unknown variables, then the non-homogeneous system will have unique solution. If rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix AB but less than number of unknown variables, then there will be infinite solutions of non-homogeneous system. This is all we have in this video. Thank you.